Hi, I'm from TechBoy BD, and the rumors are true. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 Ti is real, and we have it right here, so we're going to be unboxing it, seeing what it comes with, and having a look at this cool new GPU. The actual performance of this excellent new graphics card. Rumors have been rumbling for a while now that Nvidia have been working on a new flagship GPU, and even though the RTX 3080 and the RTX 3090 is still relatively new and very hard to get hold of due to chip shortages, Nvidia has announced the new graphics card, the RTX 3080 Ti, and the company claims it's about 1.5 times faster than the RTX 2080 Ti, which is from the previous generation. It's also going to be faster than the RTX 3080, which was released last year in 2020, and that was a pretty good card, but this looks like it's going to be even better. There is 12 gigabytes of GDDR6X video memory, which is a bit more than the 10 gigabytes you get with the RTX 3080, not quite as much as the RTX 3090, but the RTX 3090 really is a very high-end card for enthusiasts that comes with 24 gigabytes, and unless you're doing some like heavy-duty graphic workloads on that, you're probably not going to need it. I think for 4K gaming the RTX 3080 Ti is going to be the one to look for. So it's got a memory clock of 9500 MHz, it has a memory interface of 384 bits and a memory bandwidth of 912 gigabits a second. It's got TGP of 350 watts, so again this is a very thirsty card. When it comes to power consumption, you're going to want to have a 750 watt PSU in your PC. This is the Founders Edition of the GPU. That means this is other design that Nvidia has made itself, so it looks very similar to the RTX 3080 Founders Edition, but as with other PUS, there will be third-party versions from the likes of MSI and Azus. People like that. At the time of recording this, we don't know which companies have actually come out and announced the card yet, but there will be versions of the 3080 Ti which would look a bit different from this, but it's a nice looking card. It's 2 slots, so rather than 3 slots that their very chunky RTX 3090 takes up. So that means you should be able to fit it in most regular desktop gaming PCs without too much trouble. It comes with a single dual PCIe 8-pin power connector, and what this does is it connects up to your PSU, which is your power supply unit of your PC, and like with the RTX 3090 and the 3080, you can't plug in the cables from your PSU directly. You need to use this adapter, but it comes with it. But you just need 2 standards pin power connectors along the bottom. There are the PCIe Express connectors, that's where you slot it into your motherboard. It's a good heft to it, it feels chunky and solid. You should be able to install it relative ease rather than the RTX 3090, which is just such a huge graphics card that you might struggle to sort of fit it. Probably looks wise, though it looks very similar to the RTX 3080. Some people might find that a bit disappointing, that they might have wanted a bit more bling. But you know, we quite like the design of it. It's just a single fan to keep it cool exposed like that, but it looks like a solid bit of kit. The specs sound really good, where you know we're looking at the possibility of this coming close to the performance of the 3090, but without that high price point, so this could be a really good upgrade. Hopefully it's a lot easier to get hold of than the RTX 3080 or the RTX 3090 have proved to be so far. Hopefully Nvidia has got plenty of stock to get out to gamers and any cryptocurrency. Limiters are in place to stop miners from buying it all up, and I'm mining for Bitcoin and the like. This is the first bucket, the RTX 3080 Ti. It promises to be a really cool GPU, so we're gonna stick it in a gaming PC.